Number 2.
Ma'am, 1, 2.
2.
Tungan nyo, no?
Bigat ah. Bigat yun eh. 3.
Love isn't the best place to find the lovers at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table do the shots fast and we
Kanino
talk
to?
slow.
Akin.
Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop the pen, the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Ten ako, 10.
I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet.
Ano kaya? Mo pwede sabi mo sa akin kung ano to. Eh, ako ang nagwagi. Nako! Ayun ka na naman sa bagay.
Every day's gonna be something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and fill up the plate. We took the hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving you, listen to
Mano talagang loob niya, mamo? Kasi ako nakakuha ng 9.
girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say,
Tama na.
let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Pull like a
Parang
magnet.
gusto ba yan?
Wow! Picture! Wow!
Kanino yan?
Tumbler! Ganyan, di ba yun sa'yo? Takip? Diba? Iba yung kulay.
Parang thermos to na ano.
Eh, buksan mo yung sayo. Buksan mo yung sayo.
Hindi na.
Wow, 200.
Wala kami sa mangkok.
Thank you.
Bidyan mo ako ko. Bidyan mo.
Dami ni Re!
Bidyan mo ako. Bidyan mo.
Wala kasi kondos. Eh, may dagdag. Alaga naman.
Ay, ito marami. Uy, 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 uy.
Ano kaya ito?
Wow!
Bagay sa akin.
Wow!
Pera lang din yan. Dapat. Bawi.
Wow!
Bagay sa akin yung pera. Kasi sa'yo, buksan ko na.
Bag ko.
Ito yung bag.